FPV camera on the Inspire 3 is absolutely phenomenal. The picture quality is exceptional with a very low latency in the video, which allows the pilot to fly very precisely through small areas.
The Inspire, when we're flying today, has the new RTK that has centimeter accuracy that you could fly paths and go through obstacles that were just impossible to do before.
Flight, while the gimbal just stays locked on the subject, so I can get these really complex shots, even if I'm just shooting solo.
Light really well, and then full frame sensor is now making the camera better than the majority of cameras out there already. So it's going to be comparable to a lot of high-end cinema cameras.
You can see all the highlight detail in the skies, and also you can see all of the shadow detail in the clothes. And usually we only see that with the very best of the professional cameras out there.
It's finally here, and it's as good as you wished it could be.
After today and just seeing what it could do, I have, great confidence I can show any of the directors I'm working with new possibilities of new shots that we haven't been able to do before. I feel with this new precision that I can get shots that are supremely accurate.
This drone will improve our daily work in ways it's hard to even understand yet. And maybe the most important part, the image quality is unlike anything we've ever seen on a fully integrated drone.
I have a feature coming up, and there's some shots that I'm pretty excited about that I can get with this new eye.